What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. In today's video, we're going to be installing a set of our matte carbon fiber mirror covers on this Tesla Model S. We're going to be walking you through the install and showing you how to do it yourself. So let's go ahead and get into it. These mirror covers are going to be available in a gloss carbon fiber as well as a matte carbon fiber, and this is going to be an awesome match to the rear spoiler. In the box, you're going to find a prep wipe as well as a couple packets of adhesion promoter, and we're going to use these to prep the mirror cap before we apply the carbon fiber one. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is wash the car, make sure this area is nice and clean. We've already done that on our car, so we're going to go ahead and start with our prep wipe. This is going to remove any wax, grease, or other contaminants that could prevent the tape from sticking. So we're going to go ahead and just wipe our mirror cover down with this. Then you'll want to come back and dry this really well with a clean towel. Next, I'm going to take one of the mirror caps, and before peeling the tape, I'm just going to test fit this and get familiar with how it fits. And it should slide down in position just like that and fit pretty perfectly. Just make note of the inside edge here. There's a little lip that's going to slip over the top edge of the mirror cap here. So once you're comfortable with how that fits, we can remove it and make note of where the tape is on our cover. It's going to run along this bottom edge here. So I'm going to try and keep my adhesion promoter to just this area. Though all this will be covered, so it's not going to matter too much, but I'm just going to apply it to where our tape is going to be. And we're just going to lightly apply this down around the bottom edge where the tape's going to be. Make sure to not get this outside of our mirror cap. Now we can grab one of the ends of our red tape backing here, and I'm just going to peel it a little bit, just about an inch, just to get a little tag end. I'm going to do that on either side. And we're just gonna go ahead and get this started. And once it's on the mirror, we can grab our tag ends and pull the rest of the tape. This is gonna prevent the tape from fighting us as we try and get it fit up. So we're just gonna set this down. Make sure our tape ends are out. And just get it pressed all the way down into position. Now I'm gonna pull the rest of this backing. Now just press firmly, and that is the install. Repeat the exact same process on the other side. So just like that, we've transformed the look of this Tesla Model S. This is a quick and easy way to really step up the look of your Tesla and just give it that much more of a premium look and feel. So if you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.